So guys, welcome. I have this question from PCE 2000, question 24, which I believe is important for those preparing for JAMB, waec, post-UME, and even the Maths Olympiad. And the question reads as follows. If the matrix G has the following elements, bracket open, 2, 3, 1, 4, bracket close, and the matrix P has the following elements, bracket open, 4, 1, 3, minus 2, bracket close. Find the determinant of the matrix GP. Quickly, we dive into this by writing solution. Next, we note the fact that our operation is of two parts. In the first part, we're going to be multiplying the matrix G and the matrix P. Thereafter, we'll find determinant of the result of our matrix GP. So first of all, we'll proceed to multiply the matrix GP. We'll have GP is equal to a matrix G, bracket open, 2, 3, 1, 4, bracket close. While our matrix P, we have bracket open, 4, 1, 3, minus 2, bracket close. Next, we know the fact that in looking for a multiplication of matrix, the operation is carried out by multiplying row against column. And so we have this to be equal to bracket open. We have 2 times 4 plus 3 times 3. Next, we have 2 times 1 plus 3 times bracket open minus 2 bracket close. Move down, so we have a 1 times 4 plus 4 times 3. And lastly, we have a 1 times 1 plus 4 times bracket open minus 2 bracket close, or bracket close. Now we proceed and we have this to be equal to bracket open, 2 times 4, 8, plus 3 times 3, we have 9, 2 times 1 gives us 2, plus we have a plus 3 times minus 2, this will end up giving us minus 6. We move down, we have 1 times 4 gives us 4, plus 4 times 3 gives us 12. 1 times 1, we have 1. Then we have a plus 4 times minus 2. This gives us minus 8. Brackets close. This leads us to where we have brackets open. 8 plus 9, we have 17. Right? Next, we have a 2 minus 6 gives us minus 4. We have 4 plus 12 gives us 16. Lastly, we have 1 minus 8, this gives us minus 7, bracket close. This itself is the value of our multiplication of GP. Next, we can now proceed to look for the determinant of our matrix GP. So we have where GP, gotten a value for GP as bracket open, 17 minus 4, 16 minus 7, bracket close. This means that the determinant of GP be equal to, what we'll do next is to cross multiply. So we have brackets open, 17 times open a small bracket, minus 7 bracket close, minus next in line we have a bracket open, minus 4 bracket close, times 16 all bracket close. This will equal to 17 times minus 7 will give us minus 119. Next we have minus times minus 4 will give us plus 4. Now plus 4 times 16, we end up having plus 64 equal to minus 119 plus 64 ends up giving us minus 55. Therefore means that the determinant of the matrix GP is giving us minus 55, which is our final answer. Thank you.